Yeah, it was really great, have the opportunity to interact with, more associates within the organizations from all around the world and countries, and as well, each of us, having different roles. So it was a really rich session. So happy to be part of this, servant leadership movement within UST. Yeah, in my case, it was an enforce of the topic. I mean, I've been 10 years out here within UST. So this is the second time I took over the slam because I know that there was some new topics, but definitely it's always a really great experience. So let's say for me, it's enforcing this style of leadership that we have in our organization. And as well, the fact of leaving it with other associates, some of them just recently joined and have this interaction. It was just great. Yes, definitely. The part of the leadership, it's a main point that we need in our organizations in order to lead them and to grow in all the angles, right? And definitely this style of leadership where we understand that we're here to serve and help others, wherever it's looking for a professional growth, it's a personal growth. So having that in mind to help and to serve others definitely will help, and that will be reflected in all the results of USTS organization. So I totally agree, and I'm convinced that if all of us have this, all our framework really clear, and we implement it in our day by day, whenever we have a situation where we may not be clear where to go and how to act, we can always go and use this tool in our day by day. It's not just something that you learn and you just leave it there, but you can actually live and know that we are here to serve, and definitely will be having a high impact as UST as a company in order to grow with our customers. So definitely I totally see this as an implementation to grow an organization here at ANU. Definitely. Actually, here in UST Mexico, we have a goal to keep on, promoting our servant leadership. And an important point here that we always mention to our teams, to our associates, that this is not just for associates having, team or that are aligning team. It's for everyone. Doesn't matter the role that you are playing. So this is the beauty of this program that we have, that it's open there for anyone. So it's great to be in this slams out there. Sometimes you are interacting with juniors, with freshers, or with seniors from technical areas, or in my case I also had the opportunity to interact with some HR BSA. So that's what really makes this program beauty. So definitely we really invite all of our associates, and we really make this emphasis. It's for everyone. It's not for just people having associates within their team, but it really gives you value, and as well helps you to know where you want to go towards. So yeah, no, here at USU Mexico, I know that globally we're doing this invite for all the associates within UST. And apart from the benefit that brings over to your profession or day by day at work, it also help back in home, back in your community. So know that this program is a lifestyle.